Welcome to our channel again, Journey with the Jacksons.
All right, and so today we are at the naturistic place way up in the hills of Stony Hill, Boone Hall Oasis. So guess what? There are lots of flowers, lots of birds, loads of butterflies. Come with us. Come check this place out. So right here we have the Thumbergia vine, and it goes all the way up. Comes over, right, and it's so cool. It's so cool and windy, and right here is perfect for any kind of a birthday event. So you want to do some, yeah, or some. I'm yogaing. So yeah guys, it's perfect for meditation and yoga. Yeah, and kickboxing. Oh, and there's another side to the Thumbergia vine. I'm sure a very nice, a small reception, wedding reception would be very nice. And then this is the other side of the Thumbergia. Yes, also very nice. I think a very nice, a very big what you call it again, baby? Projector could be hung somewhere out here for a movie day or something like that. So you could call it a movie day in the park, just for fun. Right. And then there's banana trees and really nice, cool, fresh air. Right. So now we are at the next spot, and this is the nature park.
Nature park, guys.
So it's a nature park in a nature park.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, so let's come on. And you can hear the birds chirping.
Where does that lead to?
And on days when the river is nice and flowy, then right here, then people put their foot in, I was told, for foot paddling. It's a fun place for foot paddling. Sit on a stone, paddle your feet. Right now it's not worthy of foot paddling, but there are times when it actually is. And whoosh!
Into a beautiful open space.
On your mark. Get set. Go.
This is like a little kid play area. We're told that this is the bamboo. This is actually the bamboo, like let's say a bamboo walk, or a bamboo park, somewhat. But there are different types of bamboo trees here that grows very big. But if you are from deep rural Jamaica, or from rural Jamaica, or so you may be familiar with bamboo trees, and that they can be used to do a number of things. So yeah, and that they actually make a sweet sound when the wind touches the leaves and they sway. Right. So yeah, it's bamboo. And there are also seats here for persons to sit and to enjoy nature at its finest. Right, baby?
Indeed.
Yeah. Bob, reach first, it's here. Baby, no. No, love it. Yeah, Sean is a champion. No.
Not.
So hey guys, this is such a beautiful place. I am kind of exhausted because we ran over the nature park, we walked, we raced, and we were on the, what you call that, baby? The precipice.
Seesaw.
Yeah.
Seesaw.
Cool and nice, right?
Yeah, it is. It is awesome. We heard that during the nights, it almost like the forest. It's like a forest, and it is dewing. There
The
are
night
dews.
dew.
Yeah, there's night dew.
And it's
So-
like rain.
Yes, it must be very cold. Extremely cold.
Yeah.
Yeah, awesome.
And right now we're headed to the other part. It's called the Riverside View. We're headed to that. Come with us. And I think this is the path to the river. This is also another path to the river. And here Right, you step down, down. Right. Also, there is this called the Riverside view. Also. And here is absolutely gorgeous for birthday parties and cocktails and anniversary dinners. Hey guys, this is the Riverside area view. And this is so cool for bridal showers and stuff like that. And how cool is this? What's this? Concrete stone chair. Oh! Like, so if you have a decorator, if you're going to have a nice cocktail here, you could get a decorator to nicely decor here with sponges and pillows. Would be very nice. And to wrap this very nice also. For safety, and I think this would be okay for kids for a certain age group. Here. And these are some other concrete stone seats. And we go up the stairs. And right here we have, I'm not sure what kind of wood this is, but this is beautiful. Really beautiful. Nice place to sit, drink coffee. Again, this is drink wine. I mean, this place is really good for bridal showers too. I bet this would be a very nice place for a nice little bridal shower, christening party. Or a very small wedding reception. Lovely, and there seems to be electricity here as well. Yeah, there's electricity there. Hey! It's a good song. Let me see. And it will bring up the love. Bring up the love.
What you mean?
We are at Boone Hall Oasis, located into the cool hills of Stony Hill. And Stony Hill is in what? St. Andrew, right? Yes. And so right now, here we have the managing director and owner of Boone Hall Estate, Mr. Stephen Jones. Nice to meet you, sir.
Likewise.
Nice. What was the vision behind Boone Hall?
Well, Boone Hall started off as a hobby, really. And also because I'm into horticulture, I needed somewhere to do my farm, to grow my plants.
Okay.
So we really started off as a farm, growing plants and shrubs for the retail market. And then out of that came the restaurant, or came the Oasis itself. Because we used to just invite friends to come up and do work days. So we would work in the days and then we'd go on into food and drink.
Oh.
Till it turned out everybody started coming for the food and drink. So we couldn't afford it, and then we just said to people, well, it's had to start paying. And that's how the birth of the restaurant really.
Oh, nice. How many years ago?
And this is about 25, 26 years now we've been at it, because the whole of here was just bush, woodland, and we had to carve it out, get the different areas, and put up the structures that you see here today.
Yeah, really beautiful. Nature at its finest and best.